truly remarkable. The energy, the precision, and the cultural richness showcased in that performance was simply awe-inspiring.
Let's move on to the next segment and keep the festive spirit alive. As we stand at the threshold of a momentous occasion, it is both an honor and a privilege to introduce a distinguished personality who has graciously accepted our invitation.
Our esteemed guest needs no introduction, as his achievements and contributions speak volumes. With great pleasure here, I would like to invite Mr. Nisar Saeed, Managing Director at Asia Vision Advertising, Chief Editor, Dubai Warta.
Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. When I see the vibrancy of the students and their parents and teachers of New Indian School and the management and the glittering faces of the chief guests assembling here, I am not able to say Al Quwain is not a 25-kilometer coastline emirate. It is something different, something above the line, which contributes a lot and which can do a lot more with the great leadership of His Highness Sheikh Saud, His Highness Sheikh Rashid, and the legacy is beyond words. And the Al Quwain New Indian School has created a new model, I can say a role model to other education institutions and other schools in this country by promoting the kids' artistic talents, skills, and including the scholarship opportunities for the higher education. Actually, I was talking to the Managing Director, Mr. Dr. Abdul Salam. Just I want to give you that message only. Always we are eager to learn something from everywhere. Learning is the continuous process. Some students may think after some time our learning process will be finished, we will do some jobs or business, then the learning process, education process will be closed. What Mr. Abdul Salam told me, in your channel you are doing some information activities and some promotional activities. When our people going to enjoy the result of the commercial activities at some of the outlets you promote, including Al Quwain, the last person in the queue is not getting the promotional benefits what you have communicated through your channel. So you must understand that the last person in the queue should get. You have to ensure that person also about the result. It's actually a learning process for me as a media person. I should not be one-sided. So I'm telling my students also, always we have to open our heart, our minds for the learning process. And for teachers also, I have to mention something which Dr. Saifuddin Hamza here mentioned about the AI and the achievements of the school. In addition to that, the AI and robotics, the technology he mentioned, which will replace the teachers or not? This is a question everywhere in the world. The teachers, respected teachers here, only one thing you have to do. No AI, no robotics, no technology can replace you if you are connected to the students or your profession with an emotional touch. No machine can replace emotions. So, Honorable Chancellor of Umal Quain University is here. He has offered something to you, to your school also, in a great way with his inner emotions. No computer, no AI machine can offer a full-time scholarship to the deserving students in front of you. So you have to thank him for his great that inner consciousness to develop the education system of this country. Dr. Jamal is here. I must mention something. He's a respected pediatrician in this country. So, connecting him, I must tell you one thing. We are behind job, our future, our hopes, our new horizons. Everything is in our basket of dreams. But the one thing you must keep as students and their parents, the health aspect of our students. What food they eat, what food they don't eat. Food is the medicine as per the new science and technology. So, every student of this organization, Umal Quain New Indian School, must take care their health benefits and connecting what they eat on a regular basis. And I must thank the management, especially my long-time friend, Dr. Saifuddin Hamza, the principal of New Indian School, Umal Quain, personally invited me to witness the success of 42 years of this school. I must congratulate the school management for the legacy of 42 years without failure. Now I can see 100% result, and I must congratulate the management for getting the new 11th standard from next academic year onwards. So, more students from other emirates also will be joining to New Indian School Umal Quain for their further upgrade of their education. So, with my happy mind, I am congratulating Umal Quain, the New Indian School management. Thank you so much. Only one more thing I have to say here. Dear students, I mentioned about teachers, the emotional connectivity with you. At the same time, tomorrow, whoever you become, whoever you don't become, you must be connected with your family and teachers with an emotional background. If this emotion is lost, you are lost somewhere. Thank you so much.